Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're wondering what happened to the hair, well basically I fell asleep last night, woke up and it had disappeared. You know, like magic. Right, I've got to be quick with this one because it is really late. It's Tuesday and it's about almost 6 PM and this has got to be up in an hour. So fingers crossed I can get up in time. If not, it might be slightly late. I do apologise for that. What we have is 12 of these cream caramels. I did the video in the beginning showing you what they are. But they are 100 grams each. I don't know if it's showing you anything. It has some liquids in there. Little bits of liquid in the top. Most of the liquid is in the bottom. And the way these are done is you take off the lid, you turn it upside down, nothing will happen. What you've got to do is you've got to take off the lid, turn it upside down, and if you have a look on the back, it has like a little metal seal, which is keeping this sucked up. I don't know if you can see the fact that they're not dropping down since they've been turned upside down. That's because of this seal on the back. So I'm going to open these, I'm going to turn them all down on here like this, and then individually I'm going to rip off the seal and they should all drop on the plate. Fingers crossed I can do this really fast. I'm not sure if I can or how quick I'm going to do it. I've got a normal size spoon ready, so fingers crossed. I'll bring you back once these are all on the plate and outside of this tub. Alright, I'm back. Well, that is a lot of liquid. So let's try and take these off carefully so they don't lose their shape. Let me see if I can slide them over a bit. Oh well, these they don't want to listen. Right, next one. They're just going wherever they want to go. Right, the challenge is to eat all 12 of these for starters. It's not a lot. 6 times or 12 times 100 grams is 1.2 kilograms. So it's not a massive quantity. It's just the same flavour. Right. Got my fork ready. Climb up. Right, in 3, 2, 1, go. Is it going? I think so. Yes, it's going. Okay, sweet.
It's a lot of caramel. I wasn't expecting them all to be sitting there like that.
Time is already going. I'm going to start when it gets to a minute. Right, go. Oh, no. Oh, damn it. Next one. It's like the only reason I've got a spoon is just to manoeuvre them into position. trying. I'm thinking your reactions, and while I'm doing it, and I'm really trying not to laugh, especially when I've just sucked it up and it's just sitting there. Oh God. Oh my God, this is a fail if I ever did see one. Oh God. How long has it taken me? 2 minutes? Too long. Oh God. Oh, I've got to stop doing it without laughing. Three more to go. I thought it'd been harder because of the same flavour, but probably because it's not lasting long. If I weren't struggling to laugh, I can suck it up and then swallow straight away because it's like a jelly. You don't need to chew it or anything. But it's so difficult. If you've never done this, try it. You know, try and see if you can. Suck it up like that. If not, just give them a taste. Maybe not as many, because it'll leave you lots of caramel. And right, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. If put it this way, if I wasn't thinking of your reactions to this, I could have done this in, I don't know, you know, a minute, 2 minutes. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like, consider subscribing. I've got a lot to talk about on Friday's mukbang. I'm going to make a homemade Chinese chicken curry